Hey friends, welcome back to Speak Fluent English. I'm Wisdom, and today I'll be your speaking partner. Yes, you heard me right. Today we're going to practice real conversation together. Think of it like a chat between you and me. You talk, I talk, and step by step, your English becomes more natural. Now, remember the golden rule. Don't just listen to me. Speak out loud. Say the words with me. If you're shy, don't worry. Nobody's listening except you. Ready? Let's go. So, I look at you and say, "Hello, how are you today?" Come on, say it with me. "Hello, how are you today?" Nice. Now, imagine you're answering me. You could say, "I'm fine, thank you," or "I'm doing great," or maybe "I'm okay, just a little tired." Say one out loud right now. Go ahead. Good. Now I ask, "What's your name?" You answer, "My name is..." Say your real name. Okay, your turn. Ask me, "What's your name?" Great. And I answer, "My name is Wisdom." See how natural that feels? That's exactly how conversations start. Let's keep going. Imagine we're outside and I say, "How's the weather today?" You might say, "It's sunny today," or "It's raining," or "It's very hot." Let's practice. Say, "It's sunny today." Good. Now say, "It's raining today." Now you ask me, "How's the weather, Wisdom?" And I say, "It's warm and beautiful here." Boom! Small talk done. Easy, right? Now let's talk about your day. I ask, "What did you do today?" You can say, "I studied English," or "I went to work," or maybe "I cooked food." Let's practice. Say, "I studied English." Now try, "I went to work." All right, now it's your turn. Ask me, "What did you do today, Wisdom?" Great question. My answer is, I prepared lessons and talked with you. See? You're already in a real conversation. Okay, let's practice at the market. You. "Excuse me, how much is this?" Me. "It's $5. You. "Can I pay with cash?" Me. "Yes, of course." You. "Thank you very much." Me. "You're welcome." Go ahead, repeat it with me. Imagine you're actually holding something in your hand. Nice. Now let's practice asking for directions. You. "Excuse me, where is the bus station?" Me. "It's straight ahead." Say it with me. "Excuse me, where is the bus station?" Good. Now again, "It's straight ahead." Another one. You. "How do I get to the bank?" Me. "Turn left and go straight." Say it. Turn left and go straight. Perfect. Now let's chat about hobbies. I ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" You could say, "I like reading books," or "I like cooking," or "I like playing football." Say your real hobby right now out loud. Yes, go on. I'm listening. Good. Now ask me, "What do you like to do in your free time, Wisdom?" And I say, "I like teaching English and making videos for you." See? This is real-life speaking practice. Okay, let's talk about tomorrow. I ask, "What are you going to do tomorrow?" You might say, I'm going to study, or I'm going to visit my friend, or I'm going to rest. Say this with me. I'm going to study. Now, I'm going to rest. Now, your turn. Ask me, what are you going to do tomorrow, Wisdom? My answer is, I'm going to prepare another lesson for you. All right, let's practice some polite phrases, the kind you use every day. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. No problem. Say each one 3 times. I promise, the more you repeat, the more natural it sounds. Now, let's do a quick mini dialogue together. Ready? Me. Hi. How are you? You. I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Me. I'm great. What did you do today? You. I studied English and watched TV. Me. Nice. What are you going to do tomorrow? You. I'm going to visit my friend. Me. That sounds fun. Enjoy your day. Beautiful. You can rewind and practice both parts, my part and your part. Before we finish, let me give you 5 simple tips for faster English fluency. 1. Listen and repeat everything. 2. Always speak out loud. Don't just think it. 3. Record yourself and check your pronunciation. 4. Practice every single day, even just 10 minutes. 5. Think in English. Don't translate too much. And that's it. You just completed a full English conversation practice with me. Remember, fluency doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from practicing every single day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. If you enjoyed this practice, hit that like button, subscribe to Speak Fluent English, and turn on the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson. You did amazing today. I'm proud of you. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next video. Bye for now.